Gates open, they're up and racing. We have Dr. Choice by the rail. King's Dominion is on the outside. Running by the rail, Emperadora Foxtrot. Racing in fourth by the rail is Michaela's Music. Rossi Eyes, and trailing the group is entry number 5, War Store. Heading towards the last 600, Dr. Choice in command by a length. King's Dominion is racing in second, pressing a party outside. As they race towards the last 450, two runners are fighting it out for the lead. King's Dominion from the outside. Dr. Choice is by the rail. Emperadora closing in his Foxtrot by the rail. Michaela's Music with the last 200 meters more to run. We have King's Dominion. Emperadora is already outside by the rail. Is Dr. Choice Foxtrot with the last 100 meters. King's Dominion by about 2 lengths now over Dr. Choice Foxtrot, and finally King's Dominion. Dr. Choice Foxtrot, number 4 Emperadora Rossi Eyes, Michaela's Music, and War Store.